Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Sketchbook app. We click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Sketchbook. Here in this page of app info, we click on first app and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.